Hey everyone, this is Prabodh and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve a question, array manipulation. So the problem statement says, starting with a one index array of 0 and a list of operations, for each operation add a value to each of the array elements between two given indices. And once all the operations have been performed, we have to return the maximum value in the array. Okay, so the problem statement is pretty straightforward, and if you have tried this question before and still you are watching this video, then I am absolutely sure that you are stuck because of time complexity, right? And that's why I am here. So I'm going to tell you a very good trick to solve this question. So let's say the length of an array is 5. So and initially all the elements were 0, right? And let's say the query is from index 2 to index 4 we have to add 1. Okay, so what I am going to do, I will add 1 at index 2. Okay, so at index 2 I have added 1, and at index 4 plus 1. Okay, I'm not saying 4, I'm saying 4 plus 1. So if possible I have to add minus 1, not 1, minus value of k. Okay, so here k value is 1, so if possible I have to add minus 1 at index 4 plus 1. So here 4 plus 1, that is 5, so fifth index exists, so I'll be adding minus 1 over here. Okay, and finally what I'll be doing, I'll use this formula, array of I is equals to array of I plus array of I minus 1. Okay, and you see here I'm using I minus 1, so I have to start from index 2, right? So 0 will be here, so 1 plus 0 it will give us 1, 0 plus 1 again 1, 0 plus 1 again 1, and minus 1 plus 1 it will give us 0. So you see we have successfully added 1 in range 2 to 4. Again let's take another example. Okay, and initially all the elements were 0. Okay, and now this time our query is 2, 5 and 1. So what we'll be doing, at index 2 I'll be adding 1, and at index 5 plus 1, that is 6. Does 6 index exist? No, so we'll be doing nothing. So 0, 0, 0. And finally I'll be using this formula, so it will give us 1, 1, 1, 1, right? So this is the solution for this question. This will create the final array and we can return. Okay, so let's see the program. So this is, I'm initializing an array with 0 initially. Then these are queries. For each query I'm just adding the value k at a index, and here I'm checking if index does not overflow. So if it is less than n minus 1, so I'll be adding minus k at b plus 1. Okay, you should remember this, it's not b, it should be b plus 1. And in this question the index were from the index was in the format one index, so while writing the program you should keep that in mind. Okay, and finally I'm using that formula, this array of I is equals to array of I plus array of I minus 1 over here, and here I am just storing the maximum value which I'll be getting from this, and finally I am returning that answer. Okay, let's try to submit. Okay, so I hope you like this video and you love this little mathematical magical trick. So if you like this video, then please like, share and comment, and I will try to make more such videos. So thank you.